How to create MailerLite subscribers for new Kajabi purchases automatically. So Kajabi is an online course selling platform, and assume that a person named as John has just made a purchase in Kajabi. Now I have the John's name, John's email address and even other details, and I want to add the details of John's in MailerLite email marketing software. And for that I have two options. Either I can manually copy the person's detail, basically the John's detail, and then paste it to MailerLite, or I can create an automation in between Kajabi and MailerLite in such a way that every time a person made a purchase in Kajabi, the same person will be instantly and automatically created as a subscriber in MailerLite email marketing software. And the best part is any non-technical person can create this automation very easily. Want to learn how you can do this? Come with me and I'll show you the process step by step. So this is my Kajabi software and this is the MailerLite dashboard, and here I'm going to make a purchase and you will see the same person will be automatically created as a subscriber here. For that I'll have to create a connection in between Kajabi and MailerLite with the help of Pabbly Connect. It is an integration and automation software, and you can also reach here by typing pabbly.com/connect. I will also attach this link in my description box for your reference. Now if you're a new user of Pabbly Connect, you will have to sign up for free, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kinds of amazing automation. I am already an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so that is why I am clicking on signing and then I am clicking on access now, and this is how you can also reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And from here exactly we are going to start creating our automation, our workflow. So just click on this blue button, create workflow, and provide a workflow name and automation name, just a random name. I am providing the name as when the purchase made in Kajabi automatically creates subscribers in MailerLite. Now I will click on this button create, and you will actually find two boxes in front of you. Those are trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. When this happens, do this. So understand with an example also that whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, let's say send an email via Gmail application, and according to our use case, whenever the payment is made in Kajabi applications, automatically add the person in MailerLite application. So this is how we need to always select the applications in which we are setting up an automation, and in this particular case we are actually building an automation in between Kajabi and MailerLite. So that is why the first application, the trigger application here, will be the Kajabi, and the trigger event will I want whenever a new purchase is made, this automation should trigger. So that is why I have selected this trigger event. Now after selecting the trigger event, here you can see it has provided a webhook URL and few set of instructions. So the idea here is we are going to connect Kajabi and Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL, so that the data of new purchase can be captured here in Pabbly Connect first, and then we are going to send the same data to the MailerLite. Okay, so copy this webhook URL, go back to the Kajabi software, and here I am actually selling these two products, these two courses. And how about I open this learn Java programming? All right, and here I am going to set that webhook URL here. Basically I am connecting Kajabi and Pabbly Connect, and here you will have to click on this offer section and again click on this Java programming master classes, and here you will actually find three dots. Under this three dots you will find your webhooks option, and here exactly we will have to paste the webhook URL. So I am going to delete the existing URL, and here I will be pasting the same URL which I have just received from the Pabbly Connect, which I have pasted already, and then I will, okay, it has got removed. I'll have to add the webhook URL once again. All right, I am going to again paste the same, click on save, and you will see the offer was successfully updated. Now coming back to Pabbly Connect and read the instruction here, basically you will have to click on this button once again, all right, and then read the instructions that what it is saying. Log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So here the test submission means basically making a new purchase, making a dummy purchase, so that we can capture the details here. Okay, so how I am going to do that? Again, here I am going to make just a dummy purchase. So here in this particular new tab, I have already opened the website which I have created in Kajabi. And here under the store section, you will actually find both of the courses which I am actually selling via this website. So right now I am going to make a purchase for this Java programming masterclasses, and here I am selling this particular course for free because I am doing this automation just to show you how you can create this automation. So that is why I am not going to make any actual payment, any real payments, okay? But you'll have to assume that someone is actually buying this particular course, because the process will be the same even for the free products and for the premium courses as well. And I am assuming that you are actually selling any particular course, and when you are going to create an automation, you will actually made a real payment, just a dummy payment of maybe $1 or 1 rupee. All right, so here I will provide a dummy email address of the person and assume that someone is actually making a payment. But instead of making this payment in the same tab, I will actually open the same link in completely different tab. Alright, so I have opened the same, and here with the dummy email address, I will make the payment. Alright, so assume that the customer's email is actually admin@pablitudes.com, and then click on sign up for free, and here you will have to provide the details of the person. Alright, so first name, let's say Demo. Okay, last name is the customer only. Alright, now it is asking for the password, so I am adding just a random password. All right, again. Alright, so I have added all the details. Finally, I will click on create account, and you will see the purchase will be made. Okay, you have successfully, well, why it is showing like this, I'm not sure, but just assume that the purchase has been made successfully. You have successfully been granted access to this particular offer. So I will go back to Pabbly Connect now, and you will see what will happen. Basically, the magic will happen. Here you can see, as soon as I have made the payment here in the Kajabi software, the same details has been captured here in the response of Pabbly Connect. And let me even show you the details one by one. So we have the offer title, basically the product, basically the course as Java Programming Masterclasses, and yes, it is the same course which I have purchased. And here is the customer name, the last name, we have the email address, so we have all the details. So the presence of this data clearly shows that our automation is working fine, and the first step of our automation is actually done, which was capturing the purchase data here in Pabbly Connect. Now we are going to send the same data to the MailerLite email marketing application, and for that I'll have to select a MailerLite in the next application, basically in the action application. And in action events, since I want to create a subscriber, so that is why I will go with the same. Click on connect, click on add new connection, and for the connection it will ask you for the token. So you will have to go to your MailerLite account, and here you will find an option of integrations. Click on that integration part, and here exactly you will find the API key. You will have to click on this use option, okay, use button, and from this particular button you can actually generate a new token. But here I'm not going to generate a new token, I will actually use this select existing connection. Okay, but make sure if you are building the connection for the first time, you will have to generate that token and paste it here, and this is how you can connect your MailerLite account with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, now here you can see MailerLite account is also connected. Now I just need to provide the necessary and the important details here, basically the details which I would like to create it in the MailerLite as the subscribers, okay, which I would like to add it in the MailerLite. So first thing, it is actually asking for the subscriber email, and I want to map all the fields. So you will firstly have to enable this mapping button, and then only the mapping will be enabled. And what is mapping? Basically adding the same data, the above data, here in this particular field from the drop down. Okay, so it is asking for the email address, so let me search for the email address, and this is the same email address, basically the customer's email address. Okay, now I am going to change the status as the subscribed. Okay, waiting for it. All right, I'm going to change the status as the active, and I don't want to specify any group, but of course I want to add the email. So sorry, of course I want to add the name of the person. So where is the name of the person? I'll have to search for the same. Okay, so we have the first name and the last name, so I'm going to map the first name, and in the second field I'm going to map the last name. All right, again search for the name, and here I have the last name, and I think I have provided all the necessary details which are actually required for creating the subscriber. Now you must be thinking that what is this mapping all about? So whatever the details you will map here from the drop down, these details will be keep on changing as soon as the new Kajabi purchase will made. Okay, and if you will add these fields manually, that particular data will remain same, it will be fixed. Okay, so if you want this automation to run in real time, to work in real time automatically, you will have to map the values instead of providing any detail manually. Now finally I will click on this button, basically on the save and send test request, and you will see, okay, firstly I'm going to close it, and let's go to the subscriber section. All right, and here let us check how many subscribers we have. Well, we do not have any subscribers, and let us click on this button and wait for the response. Basically wait for the subscriber to be created. Well, the given data was invalid. I think it is because I have provided the fake details, not the genuine details. So firstly I am going to make this purchase again with the new email address, basically with the genuine email address. Okay, wait for it. So I have replaced my email address with the genuine email address, and finally I am going to click on this button once again, and here you can see the response has been received. Going back here and going to refresh my dashboard of MailerLite, and here you can see one person, basically one subscriber has been created automatically, and here is the detail of the same person. And let me even show you this name of the person. Okay, so here we have the name as the demo customer. All right, so this is how now onwards you just need to create an automation inside Pabbly Connect just once, and what will happen as soon as the new purchase will made in Kajabi software, the same purchase details will be automatically added as a subscriber in MailerLite email marketing software. So let us check whether this automation is actually working in real time or not. So again I am going to make a new payment here. Basically again I am going to purchase this Java course with completely new email address. All right, so this time I am making the payment with the dummy demo user. Okay, this is the name of the person. Click on create and you will see the purchase will be successful. Now I will go back to the subscriber section of my MailerLite, and then I will refresh my dashboard, and here you can see the person has been added. Let us check whether that demo dummy email has been added or not, and here you can see the customer, dummy customer has been created automatically, and here is the name of the person, that is dummy user. So this is how now onwards whenever you are going to create a purchase here, the same person will be added here and into the MailerLite email marketing software automatically. In case you want to clone this setup into your account, I will attach the shareable link of my workflow into my video description box, from where you can clone the same workflow into your account. You just need to click on this particular link and sign up for free in the Pabbly Connect for that. Not just these applications, you can connect and integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. If you have any query regarding this automation, or if you're not sure how and from where to start, you can actually share your queries on forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely help you. And this is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the unique automation ideas and the latest Pabbly Connect updates, you can actually join our Facebook group. And if you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends or colleagues and also help them to automate their business. So do not buy Pabbly Connect, but at least try this automation for free. Thank you for watching.